Good morning, and welcome to Cross River Ranch here in Basalt, Colorado. I'm Ben, and I'll be your guide for today's virtual open house tour. This house sits on a wonderful 45-acre parcel with a one-stall heated barn. As I said, 45 acres of irrigated hay fields and horse pasture, and wonderful half-mile access to the gold medal waters of the Roaring Fork River. This house was built in 2015, constructed by Koru Construction, so the craftsmanship is sensational. It was designed by a thoughtful architect from Denver, DHR Architects. Let's go in and see what the house has to offer. As we enter the house, we're immediately greeted by high-level finishes, marble, oak floors, and quality craftsmanship. We're in the large great room space now, immediately through the entryway. And as we move back past the entry to the first hallway, we come to the master bedroom. Guest master bedroom. This will be where you'll want to put your guests who are the fans of the horses, because they have views of the barn as well as the pasture spaces. All of the bedrooms are en suite, so they have their own baths. Another good view of the expanse of this lower level area. And immediately to our left is a private office and our first powder room, convenient for entertaining. We're going to go down this corridor and take a look at the kitchen space. And it gives you an idea of the openness of this first floor and the large living areas. We have a nice open kitchen with quality appliances, marble countertops, and large workspaces. Immediately adjacent to the kitchen is a lovely and inviting sitting area with views out to the pond. Continuing back through, we get a nice view of the hearth room that offers a more formal dining experience. All of these rooms have abundant windows and large doors, letting in fantastic light all day and giving access to the patio and deck spaces. As we look through this sitting area, you'll see that we have a private library. Great spot to curl up in front of the fire with a book or simply relax while taking in the views to the other side of the house. As we move upstairs, we'll head toward the master. This grand staircase is the first of two, one at each end of the house, that makes for easy access to the other bedrooms as well. At the top of the stairs to our right is the master. As we move through, again, you'll notice wonderful natural light coming in. A large bedroom area with fireplace, access to the upper level deck, and wonderful views across the pastures. As we move into the master bath, you'll notice nicely appointed appliances with a freestanding tub, a barn sink, and a steam shower. There are large walk-in closet spaces on both sides of the hallway. As we exit the master, immediately across the way is the second guest suite, also an ensuite bedroom with walk-in closet and accommodating bath. As we make our way down the hallway, there are two more guest suites. The first on the right also enjoys access to the upper level deck. The second suite on our left has nice views further down valley and wonderful natural light. On either side of the hallway, we have a stacking washer and dryer on the right and linen closet space on the left, and a laundry chute. Down this set of stairs, we have access to the kitchen on our right, and as we move around, great access to a wonderfully sized pantry with a lot of storage space and conveniently located close to the garage, so you have ease of bringing groceries in and anything else that needs to come in through that area. There's a large laundry room / craft room with lots of workspace for school projects. And immediately on our right is the second of the two powder rooms. As we move into the mudroom, you can see through the window there's great vision of the pond and the Roaring Fork River, along with the dog wash, lots of cubbies and workspace. One level of the house that you did not see is the media room space. And we'll include that in another video on another day, because it is something to see. But for today, with the time constraints, we didn't want to have to spend all that time walking between shots. That pretty much concludes our tour then today. And if you'd like more information about this magnificent opportunity, you can contact Jana Dillard, Ted Borchelt, or Craig Morris, all of Aspen Snowmass Sotheby's, or you can visit crossriverranch.com to see more images, videos, and information. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend.